Today is Saturday, and it's garage sale weekend in Elmwood Park. Here they only allow you one garage sale per month, and it just so happens to be today. So I figured it'd be a good day to crack out the scooter, do some alley picking and garage sailing. So it's perfect weather, it's a great day. Let's see what we can find. After cleaning off a layer of sawdust on my Yamaha Vino, filling the tires, and giving it some fresh gasoline, shockingly enough, it started right up. I head to the main streets to look for the garage sale signs. The scooter is great for zipping in and out of alleys. However, when I do find something too large to carry, I pay for the item, then I have to go back later with my car to pick it up. This was the first combination yard sale / garage sale that I hit, and it was the best. I bought 4 items here, which I'll show you at the end of the video, including this good condition cedar chest. Check out that old console TV that the chest is sitting on top of. That's pretty cool too. So many projects, so little time. My garage or yard sale strategy is to usually look through everything quickly to get an overview, then go back slower for a closer look. I'm always afraid someone's gonna grab the good items before I do. This sale has a lot of home decor items. I'm generally looking for older items that I can restore or repurpose. Let's head out to the next sale. Oh, here's a nice brick alley. You don't see those around too often. When I go from sale to sale, I like to go through the alleys looking for stuff that people pile up next to their garbage cans. It's hard to find good cabinets these days. These here are about as cheap as they come. Here's an old window shutter. Not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I'll figure out something eventually. This sale is another combo garage and yard sale. Lots of stuff here. Oh, here's some toys, and I'm always looking for old toys and games. These, however, aren't old enough. Now there's a nice Schwinn bike that looks about my age, and it has a bell. Let's head over to the other side of the railroad tracks. I stopped at about 10 garage sales today. Other than the first sale I went to, I really didn't find much, just a couple of items that I'm going to show you at the end of the video. I also went through quite a few alleys, didn't find much there either. I'm tempted to stop here at Russell's Barbecue. This place has been here since the 1930s. I've eaten here a few times and it never disappoints. But I'm not here to eat, I'm here to pick. So let's move on. There is one more stop where I want to take you to show you something that's pretty special. About a mile from where I live, there's a place called the Reuse Depot. The Reuse Depot is a non-profit organization that sells reclaimed building materials and architectural artifacts. Now they sell a lot of fantastic items that I could really use, but you're gonna have to pay up for them. It is a non-profit, but they're not giving this stuff away. Estate sales, garage sales, and even alleys are more up my alley because I'm always looking for a price tag of free, or as close to free as I can get. But the Reuse Depot is great. Let me show you around. When you walk into the main showroom, you're gonna find some of the higher quality furniture and antiques. I love that stained glass window. Lots of cool items here, but again, these are antique store prices, not alley picked prices. Now we're heading into the large warehouse. There are tons of cool stuff in here. I'll take you on a quick walkthrough. Lots of old reclaimed wood, door trim and baseboards. They charge by the linear foot, which costs you an arm and a leg. These beams are huge. I don't think I've ever seen ones that thick. Bins full of old doorknobs, hinges, and lots of other hardware. Remember these plastic wall tiles that used to be in every home in America? $1 a piece. No thank you. Lots of old doors here. The prices are between $100 to $200 a piece. Now it's time to head back home, where I'll show you all the things I picked up today. Okay, so this is a floor lamp, but not just any floor lamp. This thing is at least 100 years old. It used to be a gas lamp. Somebody modified it here. They put this electrical connection on, but you can see here that this is a gas fitting. There used to be gas that went through here with some sort of fixture. This thing must have looked incredible in its day. Let me give you a close-up. Look at the detail on this base. Beautiful back-to-back swans here. And the whole lamp appears to be bronze, so I'm going to have to figure out the best way to clean and restore it. Up a little higher on the lamp are this pair of eagles. This is going to be a fun project to restore. My wife is going to be thrilled when I show her our new clothes dryer. I know it's a little rusty now, but when I'm finished restoring this, everyone's going to want to borrow this to dry their clothes, right? Beside that, at the same sale, I bought this desk lamp for $5. It's made out of this material. I think it's called Bakelite from the 40s or 50s. Little pen holder here. Clearly needs to be rewired. I wouldn't plug that in. It's got a nice look for only $5. Couldn't pass it up. This is the chest that I showed you earlier. Inside it's really nice, great smelling, and the cedar wood is intact. The top does have a lot of scratches on it, but nothing too deep. A quick touch-up refinishing, and this $40 chest will be worth a few hundred. Beside these 4 antiques behind me and the one I'm sitting on, I did manage to find a couple other practical, useful items, like these 12 plastic shoe boxes for $15, and a couple of large boxes of deck screws, $350 in each box, $10 a piece. Now I just need a deck. Anyway, I'll find one eventually, or I'll find a use for these someday. For now, I've got a lifetime's worth of deck screws. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along on my journey. I'm Tom, this is Alley Picked, and until next time, I just might meet you in the alley.